Regeneration procedure. Diesel particulate filter warning lamp, Regen lamp, and diesel particulate filter is clogged alert, appears in cluster, when more than a certain amount of soot gets deposited in the exhaust system. In such condition, perform diesel particulate filter drive regeneration, or diesel particulate filter park regeneration. Diesel particulate filter drive regeneration. Take the vehicle on the highway and drive for 20 to 30 minutes at speed more than 60 km per hour until the Regen telltale turns off. Notice: diesel particulate filter park regeneration. Caution: warning. Park the vehicle safely in well-ventilated open space, shift the gear lever to neutral with the engine running condition, and apply the parking brake. Through instrument cluster, enter into driver info menu, navigate to Regen screen. Regen message will be in display. Long press the set button to start the diesel particulate filter park regeneration. Regeneral requested message will be displayed in screen. Once the regeneration starts, Regen started message will appear on the cluster. Engine idle speed will increase, indicating regeneration in progress. Regen lamp will be blinking while parking regeneration is happening. The park regeneration process can take up to 30 minutes to complete. Once completed, Regen completed message will be displayed. Diesel particulate filter warning lamp and Regen lamp in the instrument cluster will turn off, and the engine's idle speed will return to normal.